lied to by Washington politicians and the Wall Street propaganda machine? Hi, I'm Inc. Magazine best-selling author Brett Kitchen, and if you're over 55 with an IRA or 401k, I want to give you a free copy of my new book, Wealth Beyond Wall Street, because according to Time Magazine, Wall Street's 401ks have failed millions of Americans. After losing 35% in my IRA in the crash years ago, I said enough. And since then, I discovered a way to grow money potential double digits, reduce taxes dramatically, and also have my money protected when the next stock market crash hits. When the next market crash hits, you lose nothing. Call Wealth Beyond Wall Street now to get your free book and talk to a specialist to discover this little-known strategy to get potential double-digit growth during good years and never lose in the market crashes. Call 800-570-9898 to discover this asset that people like Walt Disney and J.C. Penney use to grow wealthy. Plus, when you call right now, you get free shipping and handling, no credit card required. And I'll send you a free copy of the audiobook so you can listen in your car. Call 800-570-9898. That's 1-800-570-9898. 1-800-570-9898.
At Subway restaurants, deals are delicious. 6 different 6-inch subs, all with chips and a 21-ounce drink. Starting at $6. Subway, make it what you want.
This weekend only, not one, but 2 gun shows. The Louisville Gun Show at Premier Event Center in Lakeland Plaza and the Waxahachie Gun Show at Waxahachie Civic Center. Shop hundreds of tables of guns, knives, ammo, supplies, and accessories. Buy, sell, or trade. That's the Louisville Gun Show at Premier Event Center at Lakeland Plaza and the Waxahachie Gun Show at Waxahachie Civic Center. Visit PremierGunShow.com or call 817-732-1194. Don't miss these shows. Some dads teach their kids how to play baseball, soccer, or basketball. But you know what my dad taught me? How to swing a big old hammer.